Which credit types are best for building a strong credit history? Imagine trying to buy a home and not having enough credit history to get approved. Building a good credit record takes time and the right kind of credit. Let's explore which credit types can help you do that effectively. First, secured credit cards are a great starting point. They requiring a cash deposit, usually between $50 to $500, which becomes your credit limit. Because the deposit lowers the lender's risk, they are easier to qualify for if you have little or no credit history. Using a secured card responsibly means making payments on time and keeping balances below 30% of your limit. This shows lenders you can manage credit well. After about 6 to 12 months of good behavior, many secured card providers allow you to upgrade to an unsecured card, which doesn't need a deposit. Next, credit builder loans are designed specifically to help you build credit. These are small loans, often between $500 and $1,000, that you borrow and then pay back in fixed monthly installments over 6 to 12 months. The amount is held in a savings account or certificate of deposit until you finish paying. Making consistent, on-time payments on a credit builder loan shows lenders you can handle installment payments responsibly. Once paid off, you get the funds, and your positive payment history gets reported to credit bureaus. Retail or store credit cards are another option. These cards are issued by stores or gas stations and usually have lower credit limits, often between $200 and $500. They are easier to qualify for, especially if you're just starting out or rebuilding credit. Using these cards responsibly by paying on time and keeping balances low can help improve your credit score. Keep in mind, they often have higher interest rates and fewer perks than major credit cards. Once you have some credit history established, unsecured credit cards can further strengthen your profile. These cards do not requiring a deposit and are offered based on your creditworthiness. Look for cards with low annual fees, reasonable interest rates, and benefits that match your spending habits. Making timely payments on these cards adds to your credit mix and shows lenders you can handle different types of credit. Finally, having a mix of credit types like auto loans, student loans, or even a mortgage can boost your credit score. Making all payments on time over several years demonstrates your ability to manage various debts responsibly. This credit diversity is an important factor in credit scoring models. For Asian American homebuyers and renters, starting with a secured credit card or credit builder loan is often the easiest way to build or rebuild credit. Paying utility bills on time and reporting them to credit bureaus can also help. If possible, becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit card with a good history can give your credit a boost. Remember, a strong credit history makes it easier to qualify for favorable mortgage rates and rental agreements. In the end, the best credit types for building a strong credit history are those that report your payments regularly and give you opportunities to show responsible credit management. Secured credit cards and credit builder loans are excellent foundational tools. Retail cards and installment loans help diversify your credit profile and deepen your credit history. Using these wisely will set you up for better financing options when buying a home or renting in a competitive market.